Fitzroy Island. Morning. Oh shoot, so nice.
Kaya sa labas.
Okay, siya lang ako. Kami sasakay. Good. Hi, good morning. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Fitzroy Island. And dala na namin yung mga gamit namin. Beach mat, pang snorkeling, binili ko sa Decathlon. And yung ibang stuff. Food din kasi island tour siya. So, hindi namin talaga alam yung mangyayari dun. Basta ang alam lang namin, isa siya sa top na destination dito, kaya pupuntahan namin. So, what can I do? Sis, we're here already. Ganda ng breakfast buffet dito. Baka breakfast buffet bukas. Tayo, tara na. So, nandito na tayo sa may ng ferry. So, ito, tour na to, na-book namin to sa Get Your Guide. So, Get Your Guide, baka naman, tatlo. So, I think it's 140 each, kasi glass boat siya and ferry transfer to the island. Kaya nang walang kape, so bibili tayong kape. Yun natin, 30 minutes pa. Thank you. Oh, sorry. I think it's not that good. Oh, tapos ito. I forgot to ask for ice vanilla. Meron pa? Is that yours? Puro Asian, no?
Puro Asia.
Ganyan na ganyan sa sa Boracay. Puro Asian. Gusto mo sa taas, masusunog tayo.
Susko?
Whenever you want that. You want upstairs?
Hindi pa masyadong mainit.
So, nandito na kami sa Fitzroy Island. Naghihintay lang kami mag-dock ng Oh! What's that? Someone swimming? Ayun o, kahit nga doon lang tayo sa ilalim. Kaso problema niyan, parang malalim pa rin. Tayo mag-i-snorkeling. Huh? Are you excited? Huh? No, Daddy, we're going upstairs. Upstairs.
Fitzroy Island.
Uy, nalaglag pa nga. This is amazing, guys. Saya. Dati nakikita ko lang to sa picture. Nandito na ako. Sa Fitzroy Island. Wala akong masabi. Just be careful, guys, once you're here. Mawis talaga kayo. So, punta muna kami sa Nudie Beach. Actually, di pa namin alam. Buti na lang mayroon tayong mat. Beach mat.
Wala ka kayong mapa?
Wala tayo. Dire-diretso lang yan.
Bakit? Di ba tayo maliligaw dito?
Oo. Shit, sana maganda yung snorkeling natin. Mukhang kalmado naman yung tubig, kaya kahit malalim, Fred, carry lang. So, ito pala is Foxy Bar and Cafe General Store. So, diretso lang tayo. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. So, baka mag-snorkeling kami. Hindi ko lang alam saan dito yung snorkeling spot. Kasi, kung dito na rin naman tayo, magpaitim na tayo. So tayo sa Secret Garden Walk. Si Fred. Nasaan na kaya si tatay?
Marami na nagbablog dito sa Australia.
Come on, keep up. Come on, keep up. Tara, keep up. Keep up. Dito ang gala siya agad. Kung isa, tatlo.
Unay mo sila.
Saan tayo?
Bakit malog? Ito yung ball. Wow, look at that. Check mo ang camera. Okay. Okay, wala kita.
Ayun na yung Nudie Island, Nudie Beach, I don't know. Let's spend time there. So, hindi namin alam kung malamig ba yung tubig dito, pero tatry namin mag-swimming kasi nandito rin naman kami. This is the first stop. So, baka doon na lang kami umiga. Wala, nandyan yung mga gamit ko. Hi! So, mag-swimming na kami ngayon. Dalhin ba natin tong GoPro? Let's try to use this one. And, yeah.
Paano to? Asan na yung ano? Where?
Nandun.
Oh shit! Oh shit! No! Hindi natin kaya mag-snorkeling. Super limit.
Ganun mo. Nag-soak na?
Wala.
O sige na, go. Baka na.
Wala makikita dito. Bakit kami parang dito? Kami parang... mo to.
Oh, this one.
Hindi naman.
Ha? Hindi kasi hindi natin siya na hindi mo alam paano i-soak. Sinusoak ko yan eh. Ako nga. We don't even have to try. Oras na eh. Mag-glass tour later. Mag-swimming lang kami and then snorkeling. Kung kaya ba namin talaga. And ayun na. Babalik ko na tong camera. Oh, last dive na. Last dive na. Ilalim tayo. Bigay mo na to kay tatay. Balik ulit tayo dito kasi may glass tour kami. And 3 minutes na lang. So, ito Ito daw yung glass door natin. Grabe. Buzzer beater tayo. Ito masarap mag-snorkeling sa ganyan. Yan o. Ayun o, tignan naman dami isda. Diyan tayo mamaya. Kapit na lang tayo. Well done.
Tayo sa kabilang side, mainit eh.
Some side? This side or that side?
Ayaw na ayaw mainit.
Siyempre tayo.
I'd like to go through some safety requirements for this vessel. So if you look underneath the seats, guys, we have some lovely life jackets. And these are the same life jackets. Yes, it is.
Iba na.
Off from the mainland downwards to the island. Now back in 1770, we had Captain James Cook. He was sailing from UK on his boat called Endeavour. He then found this island was big wave and actually crash landed on this island. Now he was here on this island fixing his boat. If you guys look off onto the right, we have those white paper bark trees just over there, guys. Now these guys are very good indication that this island actually has a fresh water system. So we have a fresh water system running from Lake Beecham all the way out here to Fitzroy Island.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of like the plates that's underneath the ocean water at the moment, kind of like the volcanic tunnels. That's basically how the water channels up here. Yeah. Now the great what's the other word? Does anyone know what coral actually cells inside of their tentacles? You guys know the movie Nemo? Yes. You know how he has to brush himself every morning against that one, and it's basically getting his mucus used to those stinging cells. So he's not born immune. He eventually has to make them. Snorkeling, maybe swim the other way. You don't want to get caught. That's cucumbers intestines.
Mhm.
And we do also get kind of two types of turtles out here, guys. We get our hawksbill turtle, and we also get our green sea turtle. Now, any guesses to why our green sea turtles are called green?
Hindi sa ilalim.
Look at that.
It's big, isn't it?
Oh, look at
Ganda. Sobrang lalim nun. Malamang sa malamang. Sobrang ganda nun. Hindi man nabibigyan ng justice eh. Pero pag nasa ilalim ka, tapos nag-snorkeling ka doon or nag-free dive ka sa ilalim, sobrang ganda. Sobrang bet. So 140 including na yung glass door na yun. Alam ko ano next natin. So mag-snorkeling ulit tayo kasi gusto namin ng maraming fish. Ha? Baka mag-scenic flight kami tomorrow kasi convince ko na si Fred. Go ka na, you only live once guys, di ba?
Ay, boss.
Ano ba? 240, how much in the Philippines na yun? 10,000? 8,000? 9,000? I think around that range. But you only live once. Ano ba't nagtatrabaho ka, Fred? Ang ganda ng view. Dad, let's go, Dad. Ganda. Snorkeling time.
Higa muna tayo then swimming.
Chilling at the moment. So it's 1:10. So may 2 hours. No, 2.5 hours na lang kami dito sa island. So magi-snorkeling ako. Medyo mainit lang. Snorkeling, then baka kumain kami. Tapos ewan ko kung nagbi-beer si tatay pero nagkalakad siya. So at the moment we're just chilling, and then after this back to the mainland, and that's it. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin namin sa dinner, but I will let you know, guys. See you later. Back to snorkeling. Shit, masakit sa paa, be. Puro corals, be. Sakit. Sobrang ganda. So, order na lang siguro ako ng virgin pina colada at saka strawberry breeze na mocktails. Para get some straw. Hindi siya madagat na tao.
Hindi naman ako madagat na.
Talaga ba?
Euro is baby chef.
Where do you want? Here? Do you want here? Back to city. Hi sis. Time for Filipino food. So decided kami na mag-Filipino food dito sa St. Cairns. Kakabalik lang namin galing sa Fitzroy. So kakain kami ng I think liempo. Iba talaga yung feeling kapag nagsiswimming ka tapos may liempo, yung inihaw, yun yung hinahanap namin. So saktong may Filipino food dito. So let's go for it. Filipino pa rin hanggang huli. Philippines! Yeah! Oh my god, this is yum. Sisig, spare ribs. It's like kusina. I'm so happy. Let's go inside. Let's just sit here. Dito lang tayo. Oh. Saan?
Ano yun? Yan?
Ito yun.
Sa inyo. Kuha na lang kami.
Diyan na kami.
Kung kayo din, dami yun.
Ang tempting bilhin nito, parang lagay lang ng alahas. Aboriginal yung design. Ayun. Abo siya. Ganda oh. Even this one is nice, actually. Patungan ng alahas. Ito yung magandang collection, guys. Lagi ako bumibili ng stickers. Nilalagay ko sa iPad ko. Magkano yan?
Back to the hotel. Ganda ng room, oh. Oh, di ba? Parang wala nangyari.